What's up everybody, it's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy. Welcome back to my channel, the place to go to for tips, tricks, tutorials, and all things art related. So today I have another Feature Friday Artist Spotlight episode to share with you. This friend is not only a member of our A3 ATC swap group, she is also an artist and a soap maker from Michigan. Her name is Kimberly Angelwood, and let me tell you, I've got so many things to share with you today about Kimberly. I've got so many art pieces and ATCs to show you, but before I flip the camera around and show you her art, I want to tell you a little bit about her soap company, and it just gives you an idea of how creative she is, and definitely a person you need to go follow. So she started making soaps as a Christmas present and giving them out for Christmas presents. And then she started getting a lot of requests for more and hearing amazing feedback about how well it lathers and how it's the only soap that kids with allergies could use, and all this amazing feedback. So then she realized, hey, I may be onto something. So from the banks of Rogue River in Michigan, Flow Bathworks was born. And it is an amazing company. She sent me some soap along with her ATCs, and I have to admit, it is amazing. It is non-GMO, it is vegan, so it is safe for your animals. She sent me actually a bar just for my dogs, and I thought that was super sweet. It is safe for the environment. She lives on the river, so she wanted something that was biodegradable and safe for the environment. It is made with no chemicals, so it's not made in a lab. It's made with pure essential oils, and it is just absolutely amazing. And the cool thing about their company, just about Kimberly in general, this is the type of person she is. They give back. They give 10% of their profits back to help fight human trafficking, as well as donate their scraps to a Clean the World project. And that project, I looked into it, is actually really cool. They take the scraps from the soap companies like Kimberly's and re-mill them to create other bars of soap and give them to families that are at high risk areas for disease. So I just thought that is amazing. So she is not only an amazing artist, but she has an amazing soap company, and I will be sure and put that in the description box below, the link to her website, as well as her Instagram links. She's an amazing artist, and just from the soaps that she has sent me, she sent me a bar for my family and then a bar for my dogs, and I am very impressed. It is amazing. So that's just about her soap. Now I got to show you some of her beautiful art. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you some of those things. So I have so many different pieces of art to show you that Kimberly has created, but I first want to start with her ATCs. She first joined our A3 ATC swap group back in March, with her first swap being in April of this year. She does such a beautiful job. I love these wax seals. I have an obsession with wax seals and textiles, and so I fell in love with these immediately. I love her collaging techniques. I love all the textiles she used, the ribbons, the lace, the different collage elements and embellishments. There's some stamps on some of these. You know how much I love my stamps. She does such a beautiful job putting these together. These are just a few of the cards that she has sent in, but I tell you, it has been such a pleasure having her as a friend and member of our A3 ATC swap group. Now, if you liked her ATCs, you are going to love some of her paintings. Kimberly actually has her Bachelor's of Fine Art degree from Grand Valley State University in painting and printmaking. She says she prefers to work in oils, with her favorite brand being Rembrandt oils. This painting, she titled it Empire Sunset. Kimberly said she can never get enough of the water. She said her father was a seaman in the Navy, and she grew up racing sailboats until she had her son. She said she was born in the water, baptized in a lake, married on the shore of Lake Michigan, and now lives 300 feet of the Rogue River in Michigan. She said that she likes to paint where the land meets the water, and how that is similar to the push and pull in human relationships. She said that beaches are the no man's land. Water is always the saving grace, and snow fences represent regrets and or insecurities that keep us from that saving grace. This one was inspired by the Bahamas, and she titled it My Treasure. This one is an oil painting of the Marsh Harbor in the Bahamas. Look at those beautiful palm trees. This painting, she titled it Highway, One Trip of a Lifetime. I actually asked Kimberly what one of her favorite poems was, and it doesn't surprise me one bit that it had to do with water. She says that her favorite poem is called Crossing the Bar by Tennyson, and it speaks of returning to the boundless deep. And she said that's a reference to Psalms 42:7, deep calls to deep. And I absolutely love that. I love her reference with the water and how it is such an important part of her life. I love this one. I love the color of the sky and the mountains. It is so pretty. This one she titled Malibu Creek Mountains. I love the color of the sky in this one too. This one she titled The Congregation at Silver Lake Dunes. These next two paintings are of painted rocks, and she does such a beautiful job creating these paintings. I love all the earthy tones, and you will notice when you go check out her website for her soap company, these earthy tones has inspired so much in her branding. She does such a beautiful job in creating not only her art, but her branding in her soap company. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's Spotlight episode. Definitely go check out Kimberly's accounts and her soap company, her website. She, like I told you, she's just an amazing person and definitely somebody you need to go follow. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we will talk to you all very soon. As always, happy crafting.